cedar shade, boots on the moss, breath in the green. Every step is a quiet trade, hours for a glimpse of a dream. Fern cathedrals, nurse-locked thrones. The forest hums an ancient tone. Then you hear it through the trees, a roar that calls you to your knees. Standing behind the veil, where the water never fails. 1,000 silver threads from the sky, falling forever, teaching me how to fly. At the top I look straight down, heart stops, world spins around. Something holy in the sound, behind the veil I'm found. Mist on my skin like baptism rain, rainbow arcs in the negative space. Time forgets its own name, there's only now in this place. One breath in the mountainside, I'm weightless under liquid skies. No photo ever gets it right. You have to feel the roar inside. Standing behind the veil, where the water never fails. I came for the view, stayed for the sound of the earth pouring itself back down. At the top I look straight down, and I'm not afraid anymore. Something magical